Flash flooding that occurred in Afghanistan's Nuristan province in July 2021 has killed at least 113 people and has destroyed at least 100 homes. According to Taliban spokesman Zabihullah Mujahid, heavy rain on July 28 caused the flooding. Mujahid has ordered the Taliban's own rescue crews to the affected area and has also ordered that 5 million Afghanis, or about $62,000, be spent aiding the cleanup and the people affected by the flooding. This article about the history of Afghanistan as a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it. This article about disaster management or a disaster is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.